It's really freaking deep. Woo! Hey guys, so a few days ago I had 100 subscribers and I would really like to thank you for that. I really appreciate it. I bought myself some new stuff so I could upgrade the game for making some interesting videos. I bought this Peak Design tripod. It's the aluminum one. It's way too expensive. Maybe this is something a professional videographer or photographer should buy. But I like the design of it. And it's 2 times as small as other conventional tripods. GoPro Max battery and the actual GoPro Max Zoom H1N external microphone, the Max Grip tripod, and a media mod which I am using right now. I bought a green screen which you're going to see some weird effects of me dragging in a subscription emblem, the SD card for the Hero Max, and some white Rycode dead cats. So let's take this Honda Crf250L out for a ride, which you haven't seen yet. So today we're just going to do some mild off-roading. I'm going to find some muddy spots. There should be some. We've had a lot of rain these last few months, or weeks, so let's see. So where should I go? I'm going that way. So a few weeks ago I put in another sprocket, the 32 sprocket. It's not that special, guys. Kids want me to rev the engine, but they think it's like a full-on dirt bike, but it's not really. It's just the Crf250L. It doesn't sound aggressive whatsoever. Oh well. So a few weeks ago I put in this 32 sprocket, but I haven't ridden it before I jumped off my KTM after the Europe trip. So after that I didn't drive the Honda anymore, so I did not really have anything to compare that 32 sprocket with, because I didn't really remember how this bike was driving before that. But I do get the impression at a higher end it's got a lot more power, like in 6th gear. As you'll probably have heard other people say, it starts pulling now, and before that, yeah, 6th gear seemed a little pointless, but it goes now, so that's great. It's pretty cold today. Last time I checked it's like 5 degrees Celsius, so that's pretty cold for here. These last few years we haven't been getting any snow or any frozen lakes or whatever. It's like 10 years ago we have had a great snowfall for a few weeks and a lot of icy lakes, but after that nothing anymore. A bit of wet snow that stays for like 1 day and that's it. Yeah, our first off-roading action. Oh shit. Oh, I forgot that it wasn't on my KTM anymore. This thing doesn't have quick shift. Oh well, if you kick it down, it goes down anyway. I don't know if that hurts the gearbox. Could anybody tell me that? Because I could use it like a quick shifter, but that doesn't seem healthy now, does it? Thank you. Thank you, mister. Let's get into the 360 footage. Yeah. Oh, that's a doggy. Going to brake for the doggy. Ah, I love this. The back tire is going everywhere. Oh my god, I should stand up. Oh shit. Let's put it in first. There's a slip and slide. I'm not going anywhere. Hello. Oh my god, I'm slipping everywhere. So, that nice lady who just walked by, she told me, "Are you coming up here pretty fine?" I said, "Yeah, pretty, pretty fine." But yeah, you can see the tracks is going all over the place, but it's fun. And she encouraged it. She knows that I cannot drive here, but she said, "Yeah, if you just keep a low pace when you see people, you should be capable to do these kinds of things, right?" But yeah, there's always people that are a little bit sour, but that's life. Let's put up the tripod. Now let's unfold this beautiful thing and get it dirty right away. I'm not doing this very efficiently. You should unfold them like this. And then, yep, all down. This is why I wanted it, because it's so versatile. I'm going sideways. Oh shit. I'd rather just go to the puddle. Now, this is just lovely. Now, somewhere around here should be a little creek crossing. It's just small. We don't have those awesome river crossings that I had in Albania. I'll be doing them all day probably. I think it was here. Oh well, better little crossings than no crossings at all, right? Maybe it's a bit higher now because of the there's a lot of rain. Ooh, it's a lot higher, I think. Recall. No, that's not so special, is it? Oh, it's kind of high. Oh yeah, it's definitely a lot higher, and there's a lot of water. It's really freaking deep. Woo! Now, the last time I was doing that, it was about 20 or 30 centimeters, so it's a bit higher now. I'm quite lucky the bike could pull it. Now my feet are wet and my pants are wet on the inside also, but that was worth it. What's up? What? Ja, wat dan? En daar kom. Always these little dogs. Big mouth. Nothing to show for it. Oh, it looks exciting. We're in Germany now. Rather than go up there now. Because it's a Naturschutzgebiet. Power. Hey, there's still a little bit of snow left here. Last week it snowed here. It's the, I guess the highest point of the Netherlands. And there was a little bit of snow here last week, and a lot of people were going here, and then they closed it down for the public, the entire neighborhood except for residents, of course, because yeah, because of COVID, of course. I think the stones have kind of disappeared into the mud. They'll be back in summer when everything's dry again, I think. So sometimes my camera just stops working out of nowhere. Does anybody have any idea why that is? Because I still have battery left, like 60-40%, but it just turns off out of nowhere. It's kind of annoying because I'm at this spot now. I've been driving to the forest. Some pretty nice spots, but then I noticed the camera wasn't recording anymore. Oh, there are the stones. Now, that was fun.